The prominent cleric Bishop Anselmo Magaya has declared that God will guide Zimbabwe's transition process, signaling a potential shift away from the current leadership. Sana pana mashoko atuna kuti aiwa machichi leaders uya achipa strong warning pane the current leadership nevatungamiri vayo aiwa zvaona kuti vanhu vanenge vari kufarira mashoko anobuda achitaurwa. Sana pana mashoko anoda nyuka para munobva subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina pana pamuzimba nyora chiti in a statement issued on Monday, Bishop Magaya warned of the inevitable downfall of dictatorship in the country, emphasizing that the will of God would ultimately prevail. I remain fully persuaded today and stand firm on what God laid on my heart in 2016, that God will raise men and women who will define the transition in Zimbabwe, Bishop Magaya said. He acknowledged the challenges facing the nation, including a deeply entrenched dictatorship and a seemingly passive church and civic society, yet remained confident that change was inevitable. I cannot fully rationalize how this will unfold, but I know that mighty men and women of valor driven by vision and conviction will rise. To God alone be the glory, he added. This Bishop Magaya Aiwa, the Almighty is not happy that the current leadership. Aiwa, God is going to set us free. Anotaura mashoko ekuti God will guide Zimbabwe's transition processes. Our mashoko atuna kuti they've signaled kuti aiwa the current leadership icha sugwefewa poya pachipinda vamwanyowani mashoko anobuda nyoko panapa pazimba itu dzemafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro with this prophecy. Mune comment section menu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.